Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Cuban cafecito. Step number 1, get your coffee maker and twist off the top from the bottom. Separate them. Remove your filter. Go over to your sink and fill up the water to about the level of the nub on your coffee maker, or about like halfway. See? Okay. Next, you put your filter back in, reconstruct it, and you're going to want to get about a spoonful of your coffee beans. And put it back in there. Twist it back on. And you're going to move on over to your stovetop. Make sure your handle, by the way, isn't facing this way so that way the fire doesn't cook it. And you're going to turn your stovetop to medium. And if you have a fan, put it on. And stand next to your coffee maker to make sure that nothing bad happens. Just keep an eye on it. Now as we sit by our stovetop, you're going to want to lower your temperature to around like medium-low, medium-low. Lift up your lid like I did, just so that you can get a good eye of how your coffee is going to be rising, because it's going to be rising soon. And just wait a little bit. Now that your coffee maker's on the stovetop, we're going to make some good use of that time, and we're going to put some sugar into a tin that we're going to be using later. So I like a little sugar on mine, but you can choose not to put any if you want your coffee black. Now we go back to our stovetop. All right, now that our coffee is spouting, you want to get your oven mitt on. Just make sure, don't scold yourself, and pour in your coffee to the tin that I used before. That has my sugar in it. Set it aside. Set my coffee maker aside. Now we're gonna wait for that to cool down a little bit because right now it's piping hot. But then soon we're gonna serve it into our cup, and after that, you enjoy. All right, boys, obvious last step. You're gonna wanna take your coffee tin full of your Cuban coffee, and you're gonna wanna pour it in. I have a little Cuban cup right here, a little Cuban themed cup. Pour it ever so gently. I got some leftovers, so that way I can have a little one. And it's just a good way to start your morning, good way to get some energy. And we're done.